Welcome, and following is an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device using iTunes. So before we get started, you will need a cable, and use normally for charging, and plug it into your computer. And the second thing is iTunes. Now if you're using Windows, you'll need to download it from Apple side, and if you're using a Apple-based computer, then you don't really need to do anything, it's already on the device. And once you plug it in, it should open up on its own. So from here you want to plug in the phone, your computer, set it on the side, and then tap on the iPhone itself, which is right here. And from here you will see the Restore iPhone button. Now let's wait for it to actually finish up backing up. Okay, so once it's done, tap on the Restore iPhone and it will start the process. Now for me, it's going to pop up with a message right now. There it is, Restore, and then it's going to start extracting software. Now mind you that for you it might vary depending if you updated your device previously or not. If you haven't updated your device to the newest version, when you got it, you will need to first download the newest version of iOS. Well, iTunes will do it on its own, and you will see a little black square right here with the progress of the download. And once it's finished, which is going to take several minutes, it's a 4.3 gig file, then it will start doing what it's doing right now, which is extracting software and then installing it onto the device. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the setup screen of the device. So I'll be back once that's actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device and continue using it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.